Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s plus number 5 because we have s, so I will put number 5 go to the left. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1. So this one we change for u. S we change for this one. The s we change for the u. So this one multiplied by u and number 5. And now we can apply the formula in here. So we put negative 13 go on here. So negative 13 plus 1, we have negative 12. So that should be like this. Now we can do similar for the second one. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.